How to delete your TikTok profile. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can delete your TikTok profile, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our TikTok profile or our account in itself, all we have to do is just go ahead and launch the TikTok application. And once you launch a TikTok app, what you want to do is just come to the profile icon by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to your profile page, tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, and then you want to go to settings and privacy. And as you go to settings and privacy, at the very top you will find the option called account. Just tap on it. And as you tap on account over here, you will find the option called deactivate or delete account. Just tap on it again. As you tap on deactivate or delete account, it will ask you to delete account permanently. Just tap on this option again. It will ask you why you are leaving TikTok, but I'm going to skip this. I don't want to answer it. Just tap on the skip option from the top right. And then once you've done that, just agree to these terms and conditions and then just tap on continue, and then your TikTok account should be successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete your TikTok account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.